Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn and Chill English.
Hi there, I'm Sam.
And I'm Alex. Today we're going out to eat at a restaurant.
That's right. We'll show you how to make a reservation, order food, talk with the waiter, and ask for the check, all in simple English.
So sit back, relax, and let's learn English the chill way.
Let's start at the beginning. Imagine you want to eat at a restaurant tonight. You call to make a reservation.
Here's a simple phone call might sound. Good evening, Green Garden Restaurant. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for two, please.
Of course. What time would you like to come?
At 7:30 p.m., please.
Great. May I have your name?
Yes, it's Sam Parker.
Perfect. We'll see you at 7:30, Mr. Parker.
Thank you very much.
Easy, right? Let's repeat some useful phrases. I'd like to make a reservation. For two, please. At 7:30. May I have your name?
Try to repeat them slowly with us. Alex and Sam together. I'd like to make a reservation. For two, please. At 7:30. May I have your name?
Now, imagine we arrive at the restaurant. Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do, under the name Sam Parker.
Great. Follow me, please. Here's your table.
The waiter is very polite. You'll often hear, "Do you have a reservation?" Follow me, please. Here's your table.
And if you don't have a reservation, you can say, I don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for two?
That's a great one. Let's say it together. I don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for two?
Now, the waiter brings the menus.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
And I'll have an orange juice, please.
Great. I'll be right back. Let's pause here. You heard, can I get you something to drink? I'd like a glass of water. I'll have an orange juice.
You can also say, can I have a coffee? I'd like a Coke, please.
I'd like is one of the most natural ways to order politely in English.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables.
And I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce, please.
Excellent choices. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all for now.
Notice those polite words, please, thank you, that's all for now. They make your English sound friendly and natural.
Let's repeat. I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables. I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce. That's all for now. Thank you.
While waiting for the food, you can talk about the restaurant. For example, this place looks nice. The food smells amazing. The music is really good.
And when your food arrives, wow, this looks delicious. It tastes great. The soup is a bit hot.
You can also ask your friend, how's your food? And they might say, it's really good. It's a little salty.
Now we've finished eating. What do we do next?
We ask for the check.
Was everything okay?
Yes, everything was great. Could we have the check, please?
Of course. One moment.
Simple and polite. Could we have the check, please?
In some countries, they say bill instead of check. Both are correct.
So you can say, can I have the bill, please?
Could we get the check?
When you get the check, you can say, how much is it? Do you take credit cards?
And when you leave a tip, you can say, keep the change. Here's a tip for you.
It's polite to say, thank you for your service.
Or just smile and say, have a great day.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
Making a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation for two.
Ordering food. I'd like the chicken, please.
Asking for the check. The check, please.
Paying and leaving. Keep the change. Thank you. Now, let's do a quick role play.
I'll be the waiter.
And I'll be the customer.
Good evening. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like a table for 2, please.
Of course. Here's your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a coffee, please.
Anything to eat?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Sure thing. The check, please.
Not yet. I haven't eaten.
Great job, Alex.
And that's it for today's lesson.
We hope this helps you feel more confident ordering food in English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like and subscribe for more videos every week.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
See you next time on Learn and Chill English.